Ngiyanibingelela nonke enizobuka le video. Namukelekile kule channel. Then sokwenza ama-acids and bases. This is a question I took from a previous question paper. Then I took only these two questions, 7.2.1 and 7.2.2. We are going to do these two questions only. Then it's like this. Then during a reaction, 25 cubic centimeters of an aqueous solution of a strong base, barium hydroxide. Then okusho ukuthi barium hydroxide use solution ene volumes engaka yabo. Then barium hydroxide, this is a volume, like angithi say aqueous solution react no water. Then i-volume ekhona lapho ilo 25 cubic decimeters. This is our base. Then bathi yona le lokhunjana, this substance, this base in a pH 13.6. Okay, and yona futhi, okay, it says pH of 13.6. Then was added to 40 cubic centimeter of aqueous solution of a sulfuric acid, then of concentration of 0.15 mole per cubic decimeters. Then kukanjani? Then sibhale i-data yethu kuqala la bathini, like sine aqueous solution, kumele sibe nama aqueous solution because bezo react. Then aqueous solution i-volume ya barium hydroxide une volume engaka ne pH engaka. Then bese kuba i-acid ine volume engaka ne concentration engaka, bazo neutralizana bobayi-2. Okay, kodwa abashongo la bazo react bobabili, sisho kanjalo. Kodwa okay, mase bethi i-following reaction it take place kule temperature engaka. Then this is a strong acid, angithi this is a weak base. Then obvious i-final solution izoba njani? Izoba acidic because this one, because ngoba strong nje more dominant overcome ubase balo kakhulu. Kube bekuwa weak acid and weak base, bekuzoba neutral, pH 7. Should pH for the final like solution is a less than 7, okurepresenta ukuthi i-acidic. And then shuthi siyabona ukuthi i-pH izoba njani, izoba lokhu njani, izoba acidic ekugcineni because lona more strong. Shuthi i-concentration yalo kwi-final solution izobe say like ifana nokuthi ayisekho because izo neutralizana nenye ngapha, but ngenxa yokuthi lo mningi kakhulu strong, kusho ukuthi iphathi yakhe izosala ibe ngapha, then yiyo ezodetermine i-concentration ye-final solution. Then i-question ithini? Bathi calculate i-concentration yale base solution then used in a reaction ubarium hydroxide osebenzile la. Siyazi ukuthi vele as a weak acid then izo-neutralize, shuthi izosebenza wonke. Shuthi lento abasinike yona so-calculate like i-concentration yakhe, which is initial concentration and is also used up on this reaction. Then so thini sithatha i-data esinayo for barium hydroxide, we are given a volume which is 25. Then so converter to be in cubic decimeters. Then izoba ubani volume 0.025 mole per cubic decimeters. Then yini enye sinikwe yona, we are given i-pH. Then kodwa thina sifuna a concentration. Then sizokwenza kanjani-ke for leyo part leyo? Then sobheka la ukuthi i-pH yini. I-pH kuqala, i-pH ikhandwa yini? Ikhandwa ama-hydro, because la sikhuluma nge-base, ikhandwa yilabo hydroxide ions about 2. Then ngoba ubona la, then bazoba hydroxide ions about 2. Le-pH ikhandwa i-concentration yabo lapha, ayikhandwa because angithi i-formula ye-pH ithi pH minus log concentration of low hydroxide ions. Okay, then kodwa i-pH yala ikhandwa ama-hydroxide ions, ingakho iyi-13.6 greater than 7. then kusho ukuthi thina ukuze size la sothola i-concentration yakhona kumele senze njani. Sokwenza kanje, sothi i-ratio sobheka ilokhu njani la ionizer khona le base yethu, then sothi iya-dissociate, then mayi-dissociate u-barium hydroxide according to elokhu nje reacts no-water, then kuba njani, kufomeka ngakhi of this hydroxide ions. Angenza i-reaction khona emanuthini phela, then kumele uyi-understand kufomeka ngakhi, senza i-ratio kufomeka ngakho okwa-hydroxide ions, kufomeka i-ratio ithi 1:2, kusho ukuthi i-ratio la ithi 2 la ithi 1, kuba kanje. Then after that sinani, what we have i-concentration yala, then yabo 0.05 because senze i-ratio 0.02. This is like supposed to volume, sorry, cubic decimeters. La it's a volume, i-volume yakhe, yeah. Then kukanje, this is a volume, then this is a pH, then i-ratio it's 1:2. The pH idetermine i-concentration yalapha, then cause kune-pH kusho ukuthi kumele sekuformula ye-pH, then masithi pH is equal to negative log H3O plus ions, yayibona. Then i-pH idetermine la, then masifaka i-pH la sothola bani i-concentration yama-hydronium ions, kodwa sifuna i-concentration yanzini yama-hydroxide ions, then ngalokho sesizoya kiphi i-formula after that, uKLW constant, then leyo formula leyo sizoya kuyo after le, then sofaka i-pH la as 13.6 is equal to minus log, then this is the concentration, then mase sithi the concentration lesifunayo ilingana nobani nale base la isuke i-10, because mawungaboni lutho kusokukhona u10, yeah, because ungafaka futhi ucheck like ulog 2, then instead of la ungafaki lutho usebenzise yabo log 2, yabo log 2 ukuthi uba 0.3, then bese usebenzisa lo log lo ufaka u10 la bese ufaka u2 la, yabo ukuthi kuphuma bani 0.3, iyafana, ingakho ngithi kuno10 la, then ube sokuthi minus ilokhu njane i-exponent yakho 13.6 as exponent, i-concentration yama-hydronium ions, thina sifuna i-concentration yama-hydroxide ions. So wenza njani-ke, na iformula ye-Kw constant ithi 1 times 10 to the power negative 14 is equal to concentration of H3O plus multiplied by concentration of hydroxide ions, then sofuna le concentration angithi thina yalapha because siwazi ukuthi siyenze i-ratio nale lo, then sesiqedile nge-question yethu. Shothi siyasubstitute la 1 times 10 to the power negative 14 is equal to concentration yalaba nayi, then la it's a concentration of hydroxide ions, then i-concentration ye-hydroxide ions izoba yipi ile, so divide ngale number le, then shuthi kuzoba 10 to the power negative 14 divide by 10 because square brackets represent concentration, shuthi le number le izoba in mole per cubic decimeters, then kuba ubani divide by 10 power negative 13.6 mole per cubic decimeters, uphe ushuthi la sekushintsha sign soku-negative, then yeah la ngithi kusuke kusema ama-decimeters kodwa mase kuno-pair sekuthi sekushintsha sign, yeah. Then kukanje i-concentration ya-OH minus, then khani sibuya lana-ke siza la soyenza i-ratio kuba yi-2 because sesinayo i-concentration ya-OH minus, then sifuna i-concentration yala, i-ratio ithini, ithi uma ngine-concentration ewu-2 ngapha ngizoba neyodwa, kusho ukuthi la mangino-10 la ngizoba nobani no5, kusho ukuthi lena sizoyenza njani because eyala ukuze sibuye ngapha kumele si-divide ngo2, then noma si-half because la i-ratio ihafekile nakhona, kusho ukuthi i-concentration of barium hydroxide is equal to 10 to the power negative 14 over 10 power negative 13.6 divided by 2. Then let's say to the concentration 10 to the power over 10 to the power negative 13.6. Yeah, what's in punch then divide by 2. Yabo ithini mase round off to decimal places, so round off so choka le number uthi ikanjani no5 ilingana no5 or greater than 5. Mayilingana no5 or greater than 5, then le number leso round up izokhuphuka ngo1 unit ngoba i1 sezoya ku2 ke futhi soba no 0.2, then ukuze ibe kuma 2 decimal places sifaka u0 la, then yeah, because 0.2 uyafana no 0.20, then ithini ilo kunjani unit ithi mole of bani of barium hydroxide vele ungasakubhalanga cause naku la, then iyona concentration ekade ifuneka le. Sesiqedile ke lena i-volume le, sorry ukunidisturba la, iconvert le number le as volume yaba in cubic decimeters, negative akekho. Then mase siza ngapha sekuthiwa calculator i-concentration yama-hydronium ions in the final solution, assuming that ama-volumes are additive. Sifuna i-concentration yama-hydronium ions. Qala-ke yini ama-hydronium ions? Akhandekaphi ama-hydronium ions? Akhandeka kwe-base or kwi-acid? Akhandekaphi? Because yabo it's a final solution le. Then ama-hydronium ions, nawo ama-hydronium ions akhandwa yini? I-acid angithi mangabe ionize in water. Then shuthi i-concentration ilokhu njani? Bafuna i-concentration yama-hydronium ions akhandwe yiphi i-substance la? I-substance eyi-acid yiphi la? Nayi. Yabo? Kodwa babuza kwi-final part, kwi-final solution. Then angithi sithe lona strong kakhulu. Shuthi mabe reactor la ngeke react wonke uzosala omunye because usase strong kakhulu. Then male babe strong ngokulinganayo ukuthi bezokwazi ukuthi bakhanselana bakhande i-pH 07 ba-neutralizane, yabo? Ngalokho ke ba-neutralizane la. Then kusho ukuthi ama-final hydronium ions lawa yimaphi? Ilawa kwi-final part, ilawa angenzekanga ini, ilawa anga-reactanga, because bakhulume ngo-final shuthi ilawa anga-reactanga, ilawa asalile iwona-ke futhi determine i-concentration, esingadetermine i-concentration yawo, futhi yiwa determine i-concentration yale final solution ukuthi izoba njani, izoba acidic. Yayibona injalo lento. Then base bethi assume ukuthi ama-volumes are additive. Basho ukuthini ukuthi are-additive? Basho ukuthi ngesikhathi u-add lo uma-add ne-volume yakhe angithi i-volume is a space occupied is lo space occupied angithi, yabo? Bese kuthi lokhu njani, then bese kuthi bathini mabethi ama-volumes are additive. Lo angithi une-volume yakhe, i-acid ine-volume yakhe basinike yona bathi ubani nakho i-volume yakhe, then i-volume yalo ilo 25, then lezi zinto ifakwe endaweni eyodwa, then za-reactiswa. Then kusho ukuthi ama-volumes lawa ayahlangana edeke kube like into enkulu la, yabo? Because sebe-occupy leso space leso, because iyona volume leyo. Bathi ama-volumes are additive. Kusho ukuthini? Kusho ukuthi lama-hydronium ions lawa asalile azobe esengasekho ku-40 cubic centimeters, kodwa azobe sekubani? Eseku-40 plus 25 cubic centimeter, because i-reaction zobe sebe-reactile sebe-occupy le space bonke, then sesele yedwa kule space esikhulu. Yingo bese i-volumes are additive. Shuthi i-volume esikhona in the final sekubani? U-40 plus 25. 40 plus 25, yabo? Then is in cubic centimeter. For ukuthi ibe kuma cubic decimeter siwenza njani? So si divide by 1000. Then sithi seyithini i-volume seyithi 0 ithini i-volume ithi 25 plus 40 divide by 1000. Siyayiconverta khona la 0.065 cubic decimeter. Volume total or additive volume iyona le. Okay, siyakuzwa-ke lokho kusho ukuthini-ke cause sifuna la ama-uranium ions angithi, then sizobheka u-acid ukuthi reacta kanjani cause kune-part angithi esalayo. Uma kune-part nje esalayo enga-react, wena ucabanga iformula ethi ama-number of moles oqale ngawo ekuqaleni alingana namaphi cause angithi sikhuluma ngento eyodwa. Then yeah, shuthi like wena yabo esithi uthenge like ngizothini oyithengile mhlawumbe nje uthenge ama-apula, then ama-apula wakho awu-5, then wena ney'ngane eziwu-2, uyayibona leyo nto. Ama-apula wakho awu-5 ney'ngane eziwu-2, then kumele unikeze iy'ngane zakho uzonikeza 1-1, yabo. Then uma uyinikeza 1-1 uzosala nangakhi-ke le 1-1 le yile reactayo shuthi iyadliwa yilezi ngane ziyayidla lezi. Then bese kuthi le part esalayo eku-3 parts yilena ekade i-excess shuthi ile beyiningi kakhulu ingadingeki because i-extra kuney'ngane ileyo part-ke esele. Yingakho sithi ama-number of mole initial fana nokuthi ama-apples total is equal to ama-apples lawa adliwe yingane. For equal sign usho ukuthi lento ayibe yiqiniso phela okungapha kulingana nalokungapha. Ingakho la sothi ama-number of moles reacted lawa adle ingane plus ama-number of mole lawa asalile. Ama-number of mole lawa in like sotha kanjani left or like in excess or not reacted, yebo leyo nto. Left or excess sotha excess maningi kakhulu kunalawa ade bedingeka u2 amaphula. Then inje iformula no understand le formula, then izinto zakho sezizoba lula. Then sowuzalana-ke cause angithi thina sikuphi si-calculate kwi-final. Le final yiphi? Final ikhandwa yini? Ikhandwa u-excess part. Shuthi part esidila kuyo la le question yile sifuna lo kahle kahle izinto ey'la ey'linka no-excess. Sokwenza njani-ke cause siyazi ukuthi okay, let me do like this. Si-collecte i-data njalo si-collecte i-data yethu kuqala, then masiya lapha kubani H2SO4 sibheke ukuthi sinikezweni, then siyazi ukuthi into yethu ilinka nalo excess lo. Then sesithini-ke, this is a base, then i-acid ithini, i-volume yakhona ithini, i-40, then siyayi-convert 40 divided by 1000 ithi 0.04 cubic decimeters. This is for an acid, then in a concentration ubani ewu-0.15 mole per cubic decimeters. Per usho ukuthi siyashintsha yini ku-minus manje, per cubic decimeters. Then size ngakuphi kwi-acid, kwi-base yethu u-barium OH2, then u-barium OH2 unani yena? U-barium OH2 unani? Nayo une-volume yakhe. Sibheka bese react ukuthi kwenzakaleni. I-volume yakhe nayi 0.025 per cubic decimeter, not per cubic decimeter. Then i-concentration yakhe si-calculate la nayi 0.20 mole per cubic decimeters. Yabo, nazi izinto esinazo. Initial lezinto esinazo sinikezwe zona kwe-statement initial lo before nje bazi ba-react, kodwa siyazi ukuthi ngoba i-acid strong kakhulu shuthi iningi kakhulu, then sazi ukuthini-ke, sazi ukuthi this acid la mabe react angithi mningi kakhulu sothi lona ungakhi siqhubeke nalezi ngane zethu sokuthi ama-apula u5 sithi lona sothi u5 lona ungakhi u2 ingane eziwu2, then ukuze ba-neutralizane kumele balingane, yabo. Then shuthi la lona udinga bani usa neutralize lo udinga oku2 shuthi kumele unike lezi ngane ama-apula u2, then shuthi ngizodingeka u2, yabo. Shuthi lo wonke aka-react wonke u5 kanje khona osalayo kusala ngakhi u3, lo 3 uyasala nje asala izi-reaction iphele. Then mase esele uye lo determine ukuthi leyo concentration esuke seyisele nje lapho leyo reaction isuke seyi-acidic or basic, ngoba kusale kwi-acid shuthi acidic, then kukanjalo. Then sizobheka ukuthi how many moles are initially 4 because sekwi-acid la cause ama-hydronium ions mangakhi ama-moles initially uwafake ama-moles initially because lawo initial angithi zonke lezi zinto sesizokhulisa ama-number of moles initially sithi concentration is equal to number of moles over volume 1 is concentration because siyibonile ikhona la then ne-volume ikhona le formula vele inawo way-2 then number of moles is equal to then 0.15 is equal to number of moles over 0.04 number of moles initial parts le ingaka-react yilaba sitshele wona statement 0.04 times 0.15 then so yenza kanje yabo phuma 0.006 mole of H2SO4 then because la kukhuluma ngo-hydronium ions kukhandwa i-acid shuthi la sosebenza ngo-acid la then sothinike number of moles wakhe initially awubani number of moles initially ilawo 0.006 is equal to number of moles areactile amangakho areactile sesizwabala reactile siyazi ukuthini angithi sithe la ku-2 lana iy'ngane eziwu-2 then ama-apula awu-5 la then kumele abaphe nga-1 kumele anikeze 2 shuthi nalo kudingeka ukuthi ku-react okuwu-2 kwakhe ukuze iy'ngane eneliseke then leya triparty iyasala yiyona esizodetermine i-concentration yayo then kunjalo-ke then using ama-hydronium ions not it as it is then kukanje kusho ukuthi ekureactile ama-moles ala cause i-ratio ithi 1:1 shuthi nala udinga bani lo ngoba enaloku nje vele lo uzophela cause akekho like uvele uweak uzophela then uzophela mangakhi kawakhe ama-number of moles ewona nje kuyi-1 cause siyazi ezophela kumele wazi ukuthi awungakhi then uzowa-calculator then mase ucalculate uwenze i-ratio nalo then uzobheka i-ratio iyafana shuthi ayalingana nalawa reactile bese shuthi uyawazi kwalawa reactile shuthi ngocalculator wala reactile usewazi nowala using i-mole ratio so uza ngapha naka ngithi this is the initial part then so uthi concentration is equal to number of moles over volume then concentration 0.20 is equal to number of moles ngasho ukuthi initial or reacted vela and initial reactor futhi wonke yabona 0.025 then number of moles is 0.20 times 0.025 then sithola about 0.005 mole of barium OH2 initial or reacted then so uthi-ke wena uyabatshela ukuthi phela wena ngithi uyazi uyayibona bakunikezile imemo ukuthi uyabona la i-ratio ithi 1:1 so uyabakhombisa lokuthi H2SO4 is to bani barium OH2 i-ratio ithi 1:1 the mole ratio ithi 1:1 then uyazi ukuthi i-acid vele yiningi then kusho ukuthi kule base le inama-number of moles awubani awu-0.05 then idinga ngakho 0.05 ithi 1:1 i-ratio shuthi uma ina-0.05 ubase naloyana kudingeka u-0.05 ukuze ba-neutralizane lokho kusalayo yiko sekusala kanindaba naloko ubase shuthi therefore sothi number of moles of bani of acid H2SO4 reacted is equal to nalawa 0.005 moles yabo 0.05 mole then siwa substitute ama-number of mole reactive 0.005 plus number of mole excess we are dealing with the acid la then number of mole excess or number of moles final in the final solution then kuzobani 0.06 minus 0.05 kodwa ke then it's 0.1 0.006 minus 0.005 then it's 0.001 lo 6 minus 5 then kube 1 0.001 mole of H2SO4 then yeah so thini ngoba sesikhuluma about sulfuric acid then excess then of mole excess or ungathi in the final solution kunje sesinawo ka number of mole in the final solution then mase siyilana ke final solution sin number of moles wakhe sina sifunani i-concentration yani yama hydronium ions wakhe then sesiyombheka ukuthi yena waproduce kanjani lawo hydronium ions waproduce ngithi ngereaction yakhe maye ionize the reaction yakhe ethi H okay then ngizoyenza la waproduce ngereaction ethi H2SO4 plus water then form ama-hydronium ions wakhe okay sesenze i-ratio nawo ke H3O plus i-ratio ifike ithi 1 because u-diprotic uzofoma amangaki uzoenda kowa two step reaction futhi uzofoma i-O2 then i-ratio sethi lo eyedwa nje ngakwazi ukuthi afome laba abawu2 because u-diprotic uzodonate ka-2 ku-water afome amalokhunjane lokhunjane ama-ions wakhe esiwambiza ama-hydronium ions awu2 then kwenzakalani-ke sinani la we have ama-moles then futhi ama-moles ala singawathola bese sithola ama-moles wala then we can go straight to the formula to calculate the concentration that is the final step then it's in ratio it's 1:2 sinani sinama number of moles and sikwi-excess part muthi kuyinaka le nangale moles le wena le moles lena ewu-0.001 ithi for u-H2SO4 mayenokodwa lo wakhe kumele kuphindeke kunalokhu kusho kumele kube kubili kusho yeah then kusho ukuthini-ke ngalo for ukuthi siloku senze i-step eminingi sothi number of moles then because kufuna i-concentration yalo number of moles of H3O plus alingana nobani alingana noba because angakhe ngithi wabona wakhe less nawo ama-number of moles wakhona u-0.001 kodwa wala sephindeka kabili sekuzoba u2 times noma uzothi 0.001 plus 0.001 kuyafana futhi sekuzoba u2 multiply by 0.001 then sothola ama-number of moles alo H3O plus in final solution multiply by 2 is equal to 0.002 mole yeah ama-moles vele ama-moles H3O plus in the final solution then sothini-ke sesifuna ini concentration yakhona sesithi the concentration is equal to number of moles over volume ithini concentration ilena esifunayo number of moles 0.002 then what is the volume bathe i-volume additive lo concentration esele le engirectangle seyisele kwi-volume engakanani kwi-volume yalo plus i-volume yalo because sebehlangene ngendawo eyodwa le ispace lokhu sinjalo then kusho ukuthini-ke kusho ukuthi i-volume yethu ileyana ngesesiyibalile u-0.065 then divide by 0.065 then ithini concentration ithi 0.30 mole because concentration per cubic decimeter of bani of H3O plus ions yalaba then sekuyiyona equation le ilo i-answer yethu siqedile ngale question then if you can ngayi-reviewer then yeah ngikwenzele kanje bheka ama-steps then nala mawufuna ukwenza like ukucheck-a kahle ubone ukuthi kwenzakalani then ngiyathemba i-lesson ibe fruitful kini nonke ngiyabonga ithuba then ningakhohlwa ukusubscribe then manithola ukuthi iyanisiza le nto engiyenza lana ngiyabonga kakhulu see you on our next video.